Students, my name is Sugan Chahar and today we will discuss a beautiful poem of Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Firstly, it was published in 1923 and second thing is that as its name resembles dust of snow, it means that poet is talking about winter season and snow he is talking about ice. And another thing is that dust. Dust doesn't mean dirt here. Dust means the particles. Okay, so let's begin this poem.
Okay, so the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. First of all, I want to tell something about hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is what? Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. So the scenario is that the poet was sitting on the hills where there was so much of snow, and he's talking about winter season where there was some kind of snowfall. जब भी थोड़ी बहुत snowfall होती है, then what happen? क्या होता है? जो पेड़ होते हैं, पेड़ों के जो tips होते हैं, उन branches के ऊपर हल्की हल्की कैसे लग जाती है, थोड़ी थोड़ी snow लग जाती है, थोड़ी थोड़ी ice लग जाती है after snowfall. Okay, so that what is poet is telling about that is dust of snow. Okay, here dust doesn't mean that dirt. Dust means the particles of the snow. So the thing is that poet was sitting and he was watching something unusual. He was just like looking the hemlock tree. Suddenly he saw that there was a crow shook down on me. कि suddenly वहां से एक पेड़ में से क्या निकला, एक crow निकला वहां से, और उसके बाद क्या हुआ, पूरे के पूरे there was movement on the tree, and movement होने के बाद पूरा का पूरा जो पेड़ है उसके अंदर थोड़ी सी डिस्टर्बेंस हुई, जिसकी वजह से जो स्नो है वो थोड़ी सी गिरी, उसके जो डस्ट है, उसके जो पार्टिकल्स है वो नीचे गिरे. ओके, द वे अ क्रो शुक डाउन ऑन मी. सो द वे, जिस तरीके से जो क्रो था, वहां पे एक बर्ड था, वो बैठा हुआ था, उसने मेरी तरफ देखा या फिर वो निकला उसके अंदर से, पेड़ में से. द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो फ्रॉम अ हेमलॉक ट्री, और एकदम से क्या हुआ, हेमलॉक ट्री के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट हुई. this much is only first stanza is only this much, and second stanza में poet क्या बताता है? poet यही बताता है कि at that time when all these things were happened, poet was not very happy, poet was feeling very sad, he was not normal and thinking about someone, but when he saw this scene he was feeling quite happy, he was like wow type. And then we're talking about second stanza, has given my heart a change of mood. When he saw all these things, there was a sudden change, there was a quick change in his mood only by watching this thing, that the crow shook down on him. So has given my heart a change of mood. Suddenly poet का जो mood है वो बहुत ज़्यादा change हो गया. And saved some part of a day I had rued. What does rued means? Rued means something held in regret. कि poet बहुत ज़्यादा unhappy feel कर रहा था, but इस scene को देखने के बाद क्या होगा? poet बहुत ज़्यादा happy feel कर रहा था. तो यही पॉइंट बता रहे हैं कि उन्होंने एकदम से सडन क्विक चेंज हुआ उनके मूड में, उनके मूवमेंट में, और उन्होंने पूरे के पूरे डे को जो रिग्रेट से भरा हुआ था उसको टोटली कन्वर्ट कर दिया. एंड पॉइंट राइट डाउन अ पोएम on this. So in second stanza he was talking like has given my heart a change of mood, a quick change of movement, and saved some part of a day I had rued. So this is basically a very very small poem, only that much is that. So let's talking about some literary parts. Okay, so first one is the rhyming scheme. The rhyming of this poem is like crow, snow, me, tree. So in the first stanza, that is AB. जो poem की first line है, that is end with crow, and the third line is end with snow. So crow, snow, it is in the same rhyme. Similarly, the second and fourth line of the poem, me, tree, end with same rhyming scheme. Similarly, in the second stanza, mood, root, heart, and part. The fifth and seventh line, that is end with heart and part. So this is CD. Okay, and the second part is this, second literary device is enjambment. What does enjambment mean? Enjambment means there, as we can see, there is no punctuation in the end, there is no comma, there is no full stop. The whole sentence is end with only one thing, and so there we say it enjambment. Okay. Similarly, in the second stanza, there is no comma, there is no punctuation mark in the end. So that is a literary device. Okay, so and another important thing is that vowel sound. Okay, so vowel sound we can say is assonance. Like we can see shook down on me. There is O, O and O. That is, we can feel that there is a vowel sound. Okay, so we can say it's a assonant sound. Another thing is there is alliteration. Alliteration, when two words are sound with the same word, like H, has and heart. We can see they are not very close to each other, but they both are in the same line. So has, heart, H की sound है दोनों में, so there is alliteration. Okay, and another one is there is consonant sound. Like we can see in the day had rude. Day had rude. इन तीनों में किस चीज की साउंड जो कॉमन है वो क्या है? डे की डी साउंड इज कॉमन, सो वी कैन से इट्स अ रेजोनेंट साउंड.
So that's all about this poem, Dust of Snow. As we can see in this book, we have two poems, Dust of Snow, and another one is Fire and Ice. In the first part, we have clear dust of snow, and in the second part, we will discuss about fire and ice. So I hope you liked my video, and thank you so much. If you have any query, then you can comment.